Lingjin starts with the advantages. Single blade fog with multiple air vent designs. The wind noise and overtones when it turns are very pleasant. Taihigo's performance is especially evident. Two. Blade skeuomorphic split design. This gives it multiple points of force, allowing for this kind of force. You can exert force like this and even more so. Moreover, the locking photo has been optimized compared to the first-generation stainless steel. This completely solves the problems of each hand. The locking design is not only to match the blade design language. It also provides a clear focus point, the smooth, easy-to-apply three-blade design for hand-painted surfaces. This allows it to have a good weight distribution at the end while maintaining a good hand feel. It also has good airflow performance. Balancing RPM is very balanced overall. 4. The gap between the upper arch of the axle is very small. The assembly and disassembly of the shaft is very tight. No adhesive is needed, yet it can be firmly fixed. 5. Overall deconstruction and reorganization based on pseudofog. This makes its appearance highly recognizable and memorable. It can stand out among the highly homogenized three-leaf spinning tops. Balancing fun and collectible value, these are the advantages mentioned above. All of this is based on drawing power and inspiration from nature through objectification. True wisdom is essential. Because biological planning has been underway for billions of years. There is too much mathematics, mechanics, material science, and other fields where previous generations of humans have decoded the secrets, but skeuomorphism is not mere imitation. How to deconstruct and reassemble them, and optimize them according to the characteristics of the toys, that depends on the designer's skill. That's right, this issue reviews Gene EDC's new products, the Euro and SmokeCon. To be honest, when the stainless steel official account first came out, I once thought it was a bit ugly, but after getting food and playing with it, I found it very interesting. After several days of experience, I found that the current drawback is that it's quite particular about axle length. Because the end weight distribution is split and low stiff, the increase is achieved. During the tension and precession process, the example sentences continuously produce diverse variations. I tried many bearings, but none felt particularly dense or positive. Combining feel and sound feedback. Finally, I recommend making the appearance. Using the gold-plated bearing of the star. Once players get it, they can also switch to the Kaiwu 8DM 2.0, which is both restless and smooth joching. This time I got the black color and the Gao Dao pattern and the Gao Daowen Gao Ta Suisei. 2 polishing was done, so Zedong polished 5 samples. There are also more materials and surface treatments for players to choose from. Please add the organizer's contact information and follow the official WeChat account. Finally, here's a segment on the immersive method for playing for your reference only.